How to fix Discord volume keeps resetting in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Ensuring that both Discord and Windows are updated can resolve many compatibility issues. Updates often include bug fixes that might address the volume resetting problem. Resetting voice settings restores Discord's default configuration, eliminating any conflicting settings causing volume changes. Windows audio enhancements can interfere with Discord's volume settings, causing fluctuations. Disabling these enhancements might resolve the issue. Right-click your default playback device, like speakers, and choose Properties. Navigate to the Enhancements tab. Check Disable all enhancements or disable all sound effects. Click Apply, then OK. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel.